Hello, and thank you for your time today as we explore what using the Syniti Knowledge Platform can do for your company. Today, we will see how to take advantage of the benefits of Syniti Knowledge Platform. We will highlight the visibility, automation, and simplicity that drives efficiency and communication across all teams and tasks. To wrap up, we will show how to retain and leverage your knowledge in order to make better decisions and impact your business outcomes. The Syniti Knowledge Platform helps companies manage their data journey, whether it begins with a migration, an acquisition, or the beginning of a data governance initiative. These companies see the results in on-time, on-budget projects, and data in their system that is fit for business use. By using the Syniti Knowledge Platform to retain your company's tribal knowledge, you will future-proof the state of your data and the state of your business. The Syniti Knowledge Platform is meant to support a company wherever they are at in their data journey and provide a single source of truth for data, information management, and decision-making. The software does more than handle project activities. It manages the business rules and policies that drive business data and business success. Using AI and machine learning to align data activities to business activities, you can use fact-based metrics to show how data drives your business outcomes, allowing you to make better decisions based on that data. Those decisions are then captured in the software. Your company's data journey is always evolving, whether data is moving, being cleansed, or being governed. The goal is to retain that knowledge from past projects, to jumpstart new initiatives, and to improve current processes. So while the business case may change, the business knowledge persists. As that knowledge is gathered across company through crowdsourcing and project engagements, the intellectual property and relationships across the business improve and drive greater efficiency. The Syniti Knowledge Platform monitors activities by providing complete visibility across all teams and tasks, regardless of their physical locations. With greater visibility, automation, and a user-friendly single environment, you will be able to reduce time and effort while driving collaboration among the various people involved in data. And over 20 years of experience are built into the software with a focus on optimizing tasks and practices in a repeatable and reusable way. Now let's take a look at the software and see what different people in your company can accomplish with it. Let's say you are a project manager and you need to plan achievable milestones, review the status of multiple ongoing projects, and react quickly in order to keep projects on track. Normally, the milestones are based on a deadline that is often pushed out as delays occur. Your time is spent chasing reports and people to determine statuses, but it's almost impossible to provide accurate or immediate reporting. Using the Syniti Knowledge Platform, each designated stage of a project uses metrics to accurately gauge status. As a project manager, you can take advantage of these daily statistics to monitor project timelines and milestones based on tasks performed inside the software. When sitting in your weekly meetings, you can pull the dashboard up on your phone to give an update based on numbers and feel confident giving detailed statuses. The different dashboards let you view the current state of your data. You can use these metrics to set achievable milestones and to determine where incorrect data might be causing a bottleneck in your processes. And by leveraging those dashboards and the software's built-in methodology, you can quickly react to new developments. When project changes occur, the ability to collaborate in a single environment and automate code will allow you to manage time and resources in the most effective way. James, a global director at a large food and dairy co-op, was challenged with moving his company to become a data-driven organization. While implementing the Syniti Knowledge Platform, we helped James to see not just the numbers, but their impact on business outcomes. After demonstrating the data alignment to the business goal alignment, James was able to get the funding he needed to reimagine their data strategy. Let's make you a member of the IT team. You would be more concerned about the amount of time and effort needed to manage systems and create code. Most of that time is spent creating assets that may be recreated multiple times and rarely saved for future use. You spend a lot of effort repeating tasks and having to perform mundane but necessary jobs along with solving complex, company-specific problems. The Syniti Knowledge Platform is a system-agnostic software and has the ability to provide automated connections to over 160 different systems, including those in the cloud. As the source data is profiled, it tracks your data visually, giving you traceability throughout your data and meaningful history to your decisions. The software gives you the ability to connect to your system and pull in the design and configuration. It will then use that information to auto-generate 50 to 80% of the project code, allowing you to focus on complex pieces that are most relevant to your business. Instead of running custom scripts and worrying over master data dependencies, you can press buttons that run extractions, transformations, and posting jobs in the correct dependency order. You can also schedule jobs to run automatically to save time and effort. Michelle, who was an IT project leader at a large manufacturing company, routinely had to check data quality. One of her tedious, recurring tasks was to check a list of 10,000 customers for accuracy and possible duplication. Using the Syniti Knowledge Platform, we enabled Michelle to eliminate an error-prone Excel spreadsheet process, as well as implement automatic rules and reports that monitored the data and allowed her to focus on the upcoming system migration. To quote Michelle, with Syniti Knowledge Platform, once we fix something, it stays fixed. The knowledge of your business users is key to the success of your data processes. Historically, users are loosely connected through the sharing of spreadsheets and fragmented email threads. Let's make you a business user who is familiar with the master data process and supports customer data. More often than not, your buy-in and input is critical, but time-consuming compared to your other duties. You currently spend a lot of time struggling with poor communication, as well as technical terms you don't always understand. Syniti Knowledge Platform provides a low-code, user-friendly web app for data entry and enrichment. Using the software's quality checks will allow your data to stay inside the single source of truth, while you can easily enter data that is error-free. Business names and technical terms are defined and used interchangeably to bridge the gap in communication and accelerate procedures. Additionally, you can utilize the auto-generated workflows to improve the communication between you and other team members by avoiding lost or delayed external emails. Built-in requests with user-friendly names and content will drive your process. And by utilizing and monitoring the configurable SLAs, you can manage your work streams for quicker turnaround in response and request times. Bob, a data executive at a large life sciences company, was experiencing a significant increase in fraudulent activity. For example, they were receiving requests from what appeared to be a reputable vendor, requesting things like a change of payment address or suspicious updates to a bank account. His solution, prior to adopting the Syniti Knowledge Platform would have required a global organization change and intense change management. We were able to help Bob add an additional step to his current data governance process, which protected his data and was seamlessly adopted by business users across the organization. Bob told us, without Syniti, it's inconceivable that this could have been done in less than 6 months, nor could it have been verified for success, as is the case today. Up to this point, we've seen quite a bit. We've seen the accuracy of dashboard visibility, the efficiency of code automation, and the ease of an environment designed to bring in all users and all tasks. While there are tools in the marketplace that may address one of these solutions, we are the only company to bring data and business outcomes together with the Syniti Knowledge Platform. But what we will share next is what we at Syniti believe to be the most critical part of any data journey and any business. And that is the capture of knowledge. What if you never had to make the same mistake twice or ask the same question again? What if you never had to make a decision more than once? If all the decisions, answers, and lessons were captured, you could put all of that knowledge to use. Picture this. Let's say your company just used the Syniti Knowledge Platform to have a successful migration. All of your activities were performed inside the software, and it's full of IP, like rules, reports, and documentation. You have the highest level of data quality in company history. Once all of that knowledge is created in the software, it can be saved and leveraged. You took this address rule that was used in your migration and added it to the knowledge tier of the software. We can now ensure its perpetuation for high-quality data in your new system. The rule supports a customer policy for data quality and accuracy. That policy is tied to an initiative to improve data quality in this next business year, and to the company's 3-year customer satisfaction goal. We know that having the correct address for shipping and billing will lead to better customer experience and satisfaction. When you are able to put that connection into perspective, it gives those rules greater meaning and gives you a better way to track the enforcement of those rules. And what is the next step of your data journey? Maybe you'll use that rule when implementing your data governance strategy or to improve your master data management. And when you have an acquisition, you'll need to use that rule to validate and transform the source data coming in. Think of the impact of applying this to more than just one rule when you use all that you've learned and created just through your migration. Syniti Knowledge Platform gives you a place to handle the most complex data problems through visibility and automation. It brings teams together into a single platform, regardless of geography or hierarchy, to drive progress and communication. And it allows your knowledge to remain relevant and accessible so that you can make the best decisions year after year. With the Syniti Knowledge Platform, you can guide your data journey, impact your business outcomes, and drive your company knowledge into the future. Thank you for your time today. We look forward to joining you on your data journey.